Hello guys, welcome to the Scholarship Analyst channel. And in this video, I'm going to be answering this question you are seeing on my screen. All these questions you are seeing on my screen, I'm going to answer them in this video. I've been able to extract this question from the group. I've answered this question. Many people have answered this question, but not everyone are always on the group on the right time, or not everyone that are on my channel are also in the group. So I still need to make video for people that are out there that still need this video and to help them to answer these questions. And if you have not watched this video right now, uh, and you want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, and also don't just subscribe. As you can see, put on the notification. Click that now as you are watching this video. Put on the notification so as to get notified when a new content is uploaded. I'll be dropping a set of scholarship from other countries this in the next 2 days. And if you don't want to miss out on that, please don't forget to put on the notification so as to get notified. Also, smash the like button to help us rank the video upward. And we also want to say thank you. I know that a lot of people are already saying thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Want to thank you to appreciate our work. You can just click on the thanks here and appreciate us and say thank you in a proper way. Yeah. And also we have a mentorship form. You want to join our mentorship, want to help you guys. You don't want to start stressing yourself up and down, start looking for scholarship and the like. If you want everything to be done for you, or you want any of our program or our services, you can just fill the mentorship form. The link is in the description of this video. Just check this description of this video you're watching right now. You will see the link of mentorship form there. You can go ahead and also fill it up if you're interested. We have WhatsApp group, and also we have Telegram group. You can go ahead and also join them. Thank you very much. So let's get started. We'll be starting with the first question on the list here. So the first question on the list here will be, what factors should I consider before choosing a university to study or to put in my documentation for the Open Doors Scholarship? Maybe you are a winner, or maybe you are not a winner, or maybe you are just uh what do you call it, or maybe you're a runner up, and you are actually thinking that used about, maybe you are thinking that what should I look out for? The first thing you need to look out for is to make sure that the program you are going to study, or the school that you want to study, they have medium of English. Do you understand? So, which means that you have to make sure that, let's assume now I want to study economics in a particular university. I have to make sure that that particular university can teach me or have a medium of instruction to be in English, because my former language is English, or my native language is English. I don't want to go there and start teaching or start learning Russia. Do you understand me? Or in order for me to start a program. But there's some things that there are some programs that is inevitable. They can only teach you in Russian language in this open door. We are going to get to that very soon. Just chill. Just wait a little bit. Going to get to that very soon. So, so then, uh, that's for that. So the main thing you should look out for is that make sure that that particular school has English medium of instruction, as they can teach you in English. And how do you know? You have to do your research. The list of schools that is being shown for you in your portal or your profile, go to Google and search that school. Go to the school website and go and confirm if that particular program you are looking for is studied in English. If you can't find information on the website, go ahead and message the school. You see their contact information on their page. Message the school and try to confirm if your program is studied in English, so as to clear any form of doubt. Can I study in English if I enroll in a Russian preparatory year? So the Russian preparatory year, that is when they will teach you the Russian language, the Russian culture, do you understand? And in order to know how to speak their language, not very fluent in their language. So yes, you can still study in English. The main thing is that whichever school that you want to study your master's or your PhD, make sure that that particular school have a medium of instruction to be English for your program. As far as English doesn't mean that you go for a 1 year preparatory for Russian language. It doesn't mean you have to still study your program in Russia. As far as your university, as far as the school you choose, have a medium of instruction to be English for your program or for your course. Then after your preparatory year, you can go back to your school and study in English. So the Russian preparatory year is just basically just to able to live in Russia, to able to speak and communicate. It doesn't mean that you must actually study in that language because you already enrolled for a preparatory year. No, I have friends that are in Russia now that we all did the preparatory year together. I did preparatory year even though I didn't go to Russia. So because I opted in for online. We all did preparatory year together, and they're now studying in English. So like I said, it doesn't mean so you can go ahead with your preparatory year and you still study in English as far your program uh is offered in English for your course. So why isn't my course listed in the list? So I know that some people, example now, especially people of especially the medicine, people are doing general medicine. Let me show you something. Public, I'm coming. Okay, look at this. If you look at the list of courses here, you can see general medicine. But whenever they get to the page, no. So whenever they get to the page in which they're meant to choose the course they want to study, they don't find their course there or some other courses apart from general medicine. Their course is not showing there. Why? This thing is based on filter. You know, there will be a point where they will ask you when you are filling, when you're in your profile or in your portal, they will ask you that what is the medium of instruction that you want to choose. So if you choose English, they will filter the university that they have that is offering your course in English to international students. So automatically, at that point, uh, at that point, the course that they give you or that will be shown in the next box or next text feed box, you might not see general medicine there. But try this, just try this after this video, watching this video. Go to your profile again and try to select like Russia, like another language, and see which is the language and see if you are going to find general medicine there. But if you still cannot find general medicine there or any course you are looking for, then go ahead and complain to Open Doors. Just email them and let them know about the issue. But try that out. Try change the medium of instruction for your course from English to Russia and see if you have your course that is being displayed. If you have your course that is being displayed there, that means that you can only study that particular course in Russia, which means you have no choice than to enroll for the preparatory year and also go ahead and study in Russia language for your course, which might be difficult, but you can do it. So yeah. So then the next thing, why is only one university showing up? Like I said, depends on the medium of instruction you choose. There are some schools that once you choose English, they only filter, just like that's what Open Doors used to do. They only filter schools that will only show you or that will only uh allow you to study in English in their school. So which means that try this out also. Change your medium of instruction to Russia and see if you have more list of schools to actually pick from. So if you have more list of schools to actually pick from, which means that the school that you choose initially, like the only school or the only university that is showing Russia or that is showing English just for one particular university, look at it. That list of schools also one part of Russia. If it's there, just choose it first and then pick the rest. But if not, that means you should actually go with one of English. But we advise, even if it's only one university that is showing for English, you might probably want to go ahead and use that, because if you choose another medium of instruction, which means that you are only going for that particular uh language to be taught. That means you want to be taught in that particular language. That's what it means. So uh, if you know you are not really good or you're not ready for Russian language teaching, probably you have to just choose that one school that is showing in your list. I'm a runner up and don't have access to documentation section. Yeah, some runner up don't have access to documentation. Fine, but just chill. Don't panic. Just chill. Just wait. If yours is not showing yet, just wait. Just wait. But if others are seeing it and you're not seeing it, then you can message open doors. But if not, if it's just a general stuff, like based on what I've known before, so just wait. The open doors said everyone is going to actually get documentation, both the runner up and the winners. So the runner up should not panic, just chill for you. Open doors to just do their things. That was it. Will runner up still receive scholarship? I would say yes, because I'm saying yes because of my past experience with them. All runner up and prize winner always receive scholarship at the end of the day. But Open Door says already said it, that the worst case is that the worst case for you is probably for you to just receive a partial scholarship, maybe like some discount of your tuition or of your live or studying expenses. That's the worst case. But based on experience, everyone do receive scholarship. So thank you very much.